Welcome to MDL Powerup Limited. We're a family-run business supplying agricultural machinery for over 13 years. Today we're going to demonstrate the MDL hedge and verge cutting system. Perfect for smaller compact tractors, upwards of 20 horsepower with a Category 1 linkage. Available in two cutting sizes. Each includes both a flail head for tackling heavier material and also a scissor trimming bar for creating a super neat finish. It uses its own independent hydraulic system. You just connect it to the tractor's PTO. Flexible cables connect the control levers to the machine, which allows easy routing into the cab. Mount the lever block to a simple bracket and you're ready to operate. It's suitable for all your typical hedgerows, including hawthorn, bramble, privet and so on. The flail head utilises Y-type flails, and this gives fast, impressive results, even on dense growth. Trimming verges is simple. Tilt to the required angle and use the built-in roller to guide the head smoothly across the ground. Changing from the flail head to the scissor bar takes less than 5 minutes. The scissor trimmer allows you to achieve a very neat, tidy finish and is particularly good for leylandii, conifer and privet type hedgerows. Once you've finished, retract the arms to the stowed position and you're ready to drive away. The small footprint means the unit doesn't obscure the tail lights or the number plate on the vehicle. Before each machine is delivered to you, they're fully assembled, lubricated and tested by us in our own Cumbrian workshops so that you can be confident you'll receive a product that's set up and ready for work. We offer full service support and hold a large range of spares and consumables which can be delivered to you quickly. Order yours today at mdlpowerup.com.